Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today in this class we will do exercises of chapter The Indomitable Sudha Murthy. Students, in my previous videos I taught you the chapter, explained you chapter, and you have also written question, answers and true false of this chapter. Now today in this class we will do who said to whom and other remaining exercises of this chapter. So let's start from the exercise. This is given on page number 103, students, 103 page. Read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. A sentence is given from the chapter. You have to read that sentence and then based on this, few questions are asked. So you have to answer those questions. So first is, I was taken aback by the telegram. I taught you taken aback means very surprised. Now your first question is, who is I? Who is I here? So I is for Sudha Murthy. So your answer will be Sudha Murthy. You will do this in your notebook. I is Sudha Murthy. Now B. B question is, what telegram is being spoken? Telegram के बारे में बात की जा रही है. So your answer will be telegram related to job interview. Related to job interview is being spoken of. Is being spoken of. किस टेलीग्राम की बात हो रही है? वो टेलीग्राम जो रिलेटेड है किससे? जॉब इंटरव्यू से, उसकी बात हो रही है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 which is asked, why was I taken aback by it? This is your question. Now answer is, so I here student is for Sudha Murthy. So why Sudha Murthy was surprised by it? वो क्यों उससे हैरान हो गई थी उस टेलीग्राम को पढ़ करके? So let's write the answer. Answer number C. So I is here for Sudha Murthy. So we'll write she in the answer. She was taken aback by it. She was taken aback by it because she didn't expect any reply from J.R.D. Tata. वो क्यों हैरान हो गई थी? क्योंकि उन्होंने JRD टाटा की तरफ से किसी भी आंसर की उम्मीद नहीं की थी. That is why she was taken aback by it. Now the second statement which is given by then, I knew for sure that I would not get the job. Sudha Murthy says that by that time when she entered the room, she was sure that she would not get the job. Why? Because she has heard some whispering sound. Now based on this line, students, the questions which are asked is, the first question is, what job is being spoken of here? So here this job is being spoken. So what kind of job is spoken here? So students, answer A, the job of an engineer. The job of an engineer at telco company. The job of an engineer at telco company is being spoken of here. Is being spoken of here. So which job is being spoken of? The job of an engineer, the post of an engineer at telco company. Now answer number B. Your question is, why did Murthy think that that she would not get the job. Why did she think that she would not get the job? Why? Because she has heard one whispering sound. Now let's write the answer. Murthy thought that she would not get the job Murthy thought that she would not get the job because Murthy thought that she would not get the job because the panel had recognized her that she is a girl who wrote a letter to J.R.D. Tata. She heard that whispering sound from the panel, that they were whispering among each other, that she is the girl who had written a letter to J.R.D. Tata. Now students, third answer. Question number 3 is what happened at the job interview? So write down the answer. Answer 3. Sudha Murthy not only got the job, but her mindset was also changed forever. सुधा मूर्ति नॉट ओनली गॉट द जॉब, केवल उसे जॉब ही नहीं मिली थी, उसका माइंडसेट भी, एटीट्यूड भी हमेशा के लिए चेंज हो गया था. So students, we have done who said to whom, where a statement is given, and based on that statement few questions are asked. So we have answered those questions. Now let's do next exercise. Now students, next exercise, here few professions are written. Now you have to write for what these professions are about. ये सारे professions किसके बारे में है? So let's write first is curator. Curator. Who is curator? Who looks after the things kept in the museum. क्यूरेटर कौन है, किसे कहते हैं? वो जो म्यूजियम में रखी हुई चीजों की देखभाल करता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज जर्नलिस्ट. हु इज जर्नलिस्ट? हु रिपोर्ट्स न्यूज. हु रिपोर्ट्स न्यूज, जो न्यूज ढूंढ कर लाता है और जिसके लिए भी वो काम करता है वहां पर रिपोर्ट करता है. सो वन हु रिपोर्ट्स न्यूज. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज स्कल्प्टर. स्कल्प्टर किसे कहते हैं? हु क्रिएट्स स्कल्पचर्स. स्कल्पचर्स और स्टैच्यूज, जो मूर्तियां बनाता है उसे कहते हैं स्कल्प्टर, मूर्तिकार. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज लिरिसिस्ट. लिरिसिस्ट हु राइट्स वर्ड्स ऑफ द सॉन्ग, जो गाने के बोल लिखता है उसको कहते हैं लिरिसिस्ट. गाने के जो बोल शब्द लिखता है वो लिरिसिस्ट कहलाता है. नाउ प्ले राइट. प्ले राइट हु राइट्स प्लेस. ये क्या लिखता है? नाटक लिखता है। Who writes plays? क्यूरेटर जो म्यूजियम में रखी चीजों की देखभाल करता है। जर्नलिस्ट हु रिपोर्ट्स न्यूज रिपोर्ट करता है। स्कल्पटर हु क्रिएट्स स्कल्पचर्स, मूर्तियां बनाता है। लिरिसिस्ट हु राइट्स वर्ड्स ऑफ द सॉन्ग, जो गाने के बोल लिखता है। प्लेराइट हु राइट्स प्लेस, जो नाटक लिखता है। Now students, next exercise, as you can see few words are written on the board. You have to unscramble these words to make a meaningful word. So first is looking at the spelling. What comes to your mind? Students, this is software engineer. Software engineer. This you will write in your book only. Next is EBW. So it will be web. Web, and then next is developer. Web developer. Next is quality analyst. Quality analyst. Next is, this is delivery manager. Delivery manager. Business analyst. So write down business analyst. So students, we have unscrambled these words. Now write it down in your book. Now students, next exercise which is given on page number 105 of your book. Exercise A, it is fill in the blanks with the correct word from the bracket. You have to fill correct form of verb. Now students, in grammar you have read that singular subject, singular verb comes, and with plural subject, plural verbs come. Subject, verb, agreement you have read students already. So let's do these exercises. So first is the Niagara Falls dash beautiful. What will come here? Looks beautiful. The Niagara Fall looks beautiful. Second is this bunch of grapes. Collective noun it is, and it is always counted as singular only. This bunch of grapes costs 50 rupees. Costs 50 rupees. Now third is each one dash her own water bottle. So what will come here? Each one was carrying her own water bottle. Now next is every student, this is also singular, has come today. Has come today. Now fifth one, mathematics. Subjects are also students taken as singular only. So mathematics is will come. Is easy for some students. Mathematics is easy for some students. Now next is they. Plural noun. So have will come. With singular noun has comes. With plural noun have comes. So they have not submitted their copies. So here you will write have. They have not submitted their copies. Next exercise is given on students page number 106, and this is exercise of question tag. Exercise C. Now one thing you keep it in mind, when the statement is positive, the question tag will be negative, and when the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. Now let's do this exercise. First one is we didn't go to the fair last year. Didn't go. This is negative. So your question tag will be positive. What will you write? Did we? Question is already marked there. You need not to put question mark again. Fill it in the book students. Now second one. Mother has given her permission for the trip. So this is positive statement. So your question tag will be negative. Didn't she? Didn't she? Now third one. The young man did not see the old woman. This is negative statement. Did not see the old woman. So your tag will be positive. Did he? Next is, this was Lucknow, the home of our ancestors. So what will be the tag? This is positive statement. So negative tag will be there. Wasn't it? Wasn't it? Now fifth one. She took him in and offered food. This is positive, so didn't she? Question tag will be negative. Next, they shouldn't be sown during the monsoon. This is negative, tag will be positive. So, should they? Now seventh, the statement is, this year she didn't visit her family. This is negative, so tag will be positive, did she? Now eighth one, they will begin playing now. They will begin playing now, positive statement. You will make negative question tag, so won't they? So students, do this exercise of question tag in the book only. Now we have come to last exercise of this chapter, my word bank, given on page number 107. My word bank means which are added to your knowledge. So students, here you have to write, find 3 words related to studies in this passage. So from the passage you have to write any 3 words which are related to studies. So write down, first is academics. Academics. Then second word is university. University. And then research. So all these words are related to studies only. More words are there like scholarship, institution. These all are also related to studies only. So you can write these 3 words in the space provided to you. So students, here we have completed all the exercises of chapter The Indomitable Sudha Murthy. Now do all these exercises which we have done today in the book only. Only who said to whom you will write in the notebook. Now students, that's all for today. Hope you like this video, students. Press on like button, share this video with your friends, and at the end don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's all for today. Bye bye. Have a good day.